Okay, now we connect our Facebook pages and we also imported our Instagram, link it to this Facebook pages. Today we will show how to use automation campaign for Facebook. First of all, you have to connect your boot connection for the page you need to work on it. Just click OK and it will give you the success message that the boot connection have been enabled successfully. Press OK. It will be refresh the page and now you have this page are connected to as a boot. First of all, if you go here, you will find comment template, reply template, automation campaign, and tag campaign and report. The first option is the comment template. What is the comment template? It's the comment as a page on the post. So now you will make a template to comment on a post as a page. This is not related to replying to the comment as a bot. For example, if I need to create a template, I just can create test and I can put here test comment as page, and you can add more comments as much as you can, but in the same time you have here the emojis list. You can just put this emoji or choose whatever you need and save it. Once you save it, okay, it will come to here as a template, so you can edit it later or you can delete it with one button. The comment or the reply template. The reply template, it's the one you need to reply to the user comments on the post. So by creating template, you are making template for all posts that you are giving or you are enable the campaign for the post on the page. But actually, if you need to create template, first of all, you have to select the page. Once you select the page, you have to what do you want about offensive comments? So what is the keyword for the offensive comments? What action, hide or delete? You can hide or delete whatever you need. What the private message that will be sent to the user, the user owner of the offensive comment. So if you have message template, it will be, you can select it from here. Otherwise, you can create message template to be sent to the user owner of the offensive message. Once it's loaded, okay, you can define this template as offensive private reply. So here I just put offensive user private reply. Okay, once you put it here, it will take the same post back as the template name, and you can just ignore this parent or child for now, and you can create a label as offensive users to just know how many users they are putting offensive comments. Then you can choose the sequence campaign, and if you don't have sequence campaign, you will not be able to select. Then you can choose here the message that you want to send it to the user. So here you can send text or image or audio or video or file or quick reply, text with button, generic template, carousel or media or one-time notification. So if I use text, okay, I can enable the delay and I can put it here, delay for 2 seconds. And here I can say thanks for your comment. We are very sorry our service uh, might anything might not helping you, you can escalate your issue by contact us on WhatsApp number, and you can put the number here. Then you can submit. Once you submit, you can click on OK and then close and refresh the list. It will come automatically here. After that, you have to select, do you want to send a reply message to the user multiple times? Yes, I need every time the user that put comment on the post to be replied. Okay, because he may comment different comments, so I can reply with different messages. Do you want to enable the comment reply? Yes. Do you want to like on comment by page? Yes. Do you want to hide comments after reply? This up to you. I put it no. So what else you can do here? Generic message for all or message by filtering. If it's a generic message for all, you will put the campaign name and the message for all comments. It will be reply with the same. Like if someone put details, you can put thanks for your comment. We will reply to you in the private message. But if you can put send a message by filtering the word, so here you can put uh, keyword camp, and here you just put the words that you need to filter. Like if someone say details and comma price comma more comma dot. So here, thanks for your comment. You will receive private message with all details. And in the same time, you can put image, you can put a video, or also you can select message template. If you don't want to send private message, it's okay. But if you want to send private message, you just simply add a message template, which we already go through it. So after that, you can add more filtering. By adding more filtering, okay, by adding more filtering, you just need to click on this one. It will show another filtering, okay, and in the same time, you can put the filter word or keyword or whatever you want to put it here. Like for example, we can set a keyword for size, um, uh, how many sizes, whatever. It's up to you, and you can put the message. Also, you can put image or video as well as private message, and you can add more filtering as you match. But here, after you adding all the keywords, this is if there is no match found for these keywords, you can put here some generic message that will be sent to the user, and also can be image, it can be video. Also you can send private message. Once you finish all this, you just click save. If I click save now, okay, it will give me success and it will be closed, and here I have template. Once I finish this one, I can go to the automation campaign, and in the same time, you can put your automation campaign directly without creating a reply template or comment template. because simply you can click on this button and enable auto comment, okay, and you can select the template that we already put it as a test cam and put the schedule time, or you can put it periodically and select the schedule every for 24 hours or whatever, and you can select the time zone and start time, end time, comment between these times, and random or serially, and save. At the same time, you can enable the full page reply. If you enable the full page reply, you will see the same sequence of the reply template uh, menu. You can follow the same and you can save, and it will be enabled for all the page coming post and current post. So also you can enable full like and share on the posts over the page. You can share this post as much as you can in all pages that you have in your Facebook account. And also you can put it randomly delay or choose the delay of the share between the shares as well as you can enable the likes. But once you enable the likes, you have only 2 pages by Facebook legally. If you put more than this, you will be in risk. Once you fill all this information, you can click save and it will be enabled. Also, you can enable fetch commenter on some posts, okay? And also you can leave a comment as a page on the post, okay? And in this time, we will show how to use the tag campaign also from here. This I already just enabled to fetch the commenter, so any comments will be put on the post. It will be show here as a count, show here count of the commenters. So now I can rescan it every time to grab or bring all the users that comment on the post. What can I do with them? I can see the reports, okay, if I have reports. But if I don't have reports, I can send them bulk tag or bulk comment based on the comments numbers. So here, this button, it will not be activated unless you have commenters. So we will check it this one in the next video, how it will work and how you will enable the automation campaign if you have uh, post and specific post you want to enable the comment campaign. And also we will see the tag campaign, how to send the comment bulk for the commenters or the bulk comment reply for all. Okay, so now I need to enable the automation campaign. I'll just enable the auto reply. Also, if I have a template, the one we have created for the keyword, otherwise I click no, okay, and I'll put label if I need. If I don't need, I just leave it empty. Also the same hide or delete the offensive as we know, and you will follow all the steps that we have put it in the reply template. So I'll use the template, okay, and I'll click on submit, and that's all. So once I click it, okay, I'll go to this post by clicking, putting comment on the post. It will be use the template that we have created. Otherwise, you can do it by yourself manually, one by one post. Okay, and you will find here some statistics, like for example, auto reply enable post 1 and tag a reply enable post 1, okay, and auto comment enable post 0 because we didn't enable it. In the same time, now if we go to the tag campaign, you will find that the comments only one comment and commenters is one, okay. Once you you can see all the reports that can assisting you to show the auto comment report, the auto reply report if there is any auto reply report, okay, and the comment, the bulk comment report, full page response report, and auto like and share report. So by this video, we have covered all the comment automation for the Facebook, comment template, reply template, automation campaign, tag campaign, and reports. In the next video, we will continue showing the next feature. Thank you.